Hi guys, welcome again to the Spicy Kitchen. I'm Jose, your host, and today we are gonna make empanadas specifically from South America, gluten-free. So, vámonos. These empanadas are originally from north of South America, which will be Colombia or Venezuela. I'm originally from Venezuela, so I'll make it Venezuelan style. What I'm having here is the dough already made. I'm gonna show you how to mix it. This is very easy recipe. 2 cups of corn flour, a teaspoon of salt, and 2.5 cups of water. But if you want some more flavor, you can use the juices from your pulled pork, or if you're doing chicken stock, you can add chicken stock here. But today we're just gonna use plain water, and that will just cater for absolutely everybody. We pour the water, and I'm gonna use a lot of my hands today, so not too fancy utensils. Sometimes you just want to feel the food. I just move it a little bit gently, and I allow the water to get through. You can add paprika if you want into it, and any spices that you like, and that will enhance flavors. And I'm gonna leave it for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna allow the actual corn to absorb the water from. That's not to be eaten, that's for the recipes. I have no more, okay? What you will have is this dough, which is hard, a little bit harder. And in order to make the empanada, what I will do is, and this is a very South American technique. This is the one that when I used to go to the beach, every stand, every woman there, grandmother will do. So what you get is this, just a plastic bag. I don't recommend saran wrap because it will stick everywhere. So you get the plastic, I just cut it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in my hands, okay? And what I do is, you just get a bowl, you roll it, and then you start just simply go over. And I remember every time I used to go to the beach, you can have these little shacks along the beach, and all these ladies were there just making empanadas over and over and over, and that was the best. I have to say that's one of the best memories I have of my childhood back in Venezuela. This is very fun actually. And I need my meat here. So this is the pulled pork that I'm gonna show you in another episode. So click, I don't know, somewhere. The producers all will tell me it's here, it's there, I can't remember. So
upper left.
Upper left, which will be here. There you go. We just add a little bit. Again, you can use ham and cheese if you want for your kids. Any vegan recipe that you have. And now I just simply I'm going to close it down. Okay. And I'm gonna use something round. You can use a bowl. I'm using a funnel, and I just simply cut it. And voila. Here you have your empanada. We have the vegetarian options, and of course we are eating all these empanadas. What you think? We are just showing it to you? No, we eat them. So one of our guys, actually, he's vegetarian, so we really need to cater to him, otherwise he's gonna kill us, and I have to make the empanada. So what I did here is I just took cheddar cheese, I crumble on it, and that's it. And we are having, oh, I think I had too much. So that's what I was telling you about. If it's too much, it's a problem. It might explode in the deep fryer. And that's it. Voila. We have a cheese empanada. And now the fun part, the deep fry. So here we have Now be careful. And I'm starting with the cheese one, so we can give it to our producer, and then we start with the pulled pork one. But this is good. You know what? I'm gonna start with the other ones. This one. And now we look at the deep fryer. I know not everybody is fond of deep frying, and myself, I love deep frying, but I don't eat that much for healthy reasons. So you can just kind of on a pan, a little bit of oil, you just simply get it crunchy, and then you put it in the oven, and you will have an empanada as well. Usually we eat this on the beach with a beer. I remember once I ate, and it's very popular back home, is this empanada that we call domino. It has plantain, shredded beef, beans, black beans. The main dish is it will have rice. So what they did is they transport that into the empanada. And also what they call as well back home is the empanada operada, which what it means is you get an empanada with cheese and then they open it up, so they are actually performing an operation, and then they stuff it with whatever else you want. What I have here is I got some paper, just very absorbent. Absorbent or absorbent?
Absorbent?
Well, the one that really sucks a lot of oil. Are you ready for this empanada? This is how easy to make gluten-free empanadas. Definitely we will be talking in different episodes about different type of empanadas. Every country has a different approach. This is what I'm gonna do with the one that opened up. I'm just simply gonna try. It's a little bit hot, but it's yummy. So guys, with my mouth full, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, enjoy, like, share, and always remember to buy local. See you.